One thing I've learned about using this Blue Yeti microphone on my computer is that I should stay very close to the microphone, like this. So once I'm very close to the mic, it is going to pick the best audio which we need in this recording. So the Blue Yeti, generally, some statistics about it. It's one of the best USB microphones. In Kenya, it trades for around 27,000 shillings. I bought this one in London when I went there for work-related activities. I bought this microphone for around 20,000. So I saved 6,000 by buying it in Europe or in London, where it's cheaper. And I also tend to believe that when you are in the UK, you tend to get the original devices, unlike what we think you can get here in Africa or in the developing world. So now that I'm closer to this mic, I will give you more details about the mic. First, it is a condenser microphone, and that is a problem because condenser microphones are supposed to be used in studios or in treated rooms, so it can pick sometimes it can pick up sounds from around the room and even outside. So we need rooms which are treated. You need to put like carpets in your room, or get closer to a microphone like I'm doing now, or record from your closet, inside your closet. A few things you need to know about this microphone, if you can show you, allow me to show you. This is the best microphone for gamers and podcasts, and it uses a USB, which means the cable which runs from the mic to the device is a USB cable. It is not using the XLR cable. It has various options when you are checking it out. It has various options of which you can use, pick up patterns. That's what they call them. There is a cardioid. Right now we're using a cardioid pattern, but there are others. For example, there is a omni, bidirectional, and a stereo. So if we are like two people, I will use the figure 8 pickup pattern, which I'm using now, which means I can speak from this side, and I can also speak from this other side. So it means if you are two people and you are having a conversation, that is the best pattern you have. Then there is another pattern, which is cardioid, which I've told you is for one person. So if I change to that pattern, speaking from this side, you will not hear anything. But if I turn it from this side where you see the LED light, you will be able to hear something. The sound is loud and clear. There are more patterns. There is one where you can speak from inside of this microphone, even from the side, even from this side of cardioid, and even from this other side. So it picks from all over, from all around. But when you are speaking alone, you are the only person speaking, then it will make more sense if you are using cardioid. The final side is this other one. I think this one you speak from the side. If you are speaking from this side, it's all right for you. You are also speaking from this side, and this side it is speaking from the sides, I believe. And oh yeah, from the sides. So I prefer using the cardioid. That is my best position when I'm the only person speaking to the mic. I always use that one. They say that's a 3.5 millimeter monitoring jack, which I showed you already. From down below, you will be able to see where we are putting that. This one. This is the 3.5 millimeter monitoring jack. It has built-in controls, which I've shown you. These are controls which are built in, so you don't need to use software to You don't need to use a software at all. You just continue using your mic, using the built-in controls for its operations. This one is for gain. No, this is for volume for the headphones. The first one is for gain. So if you turn it, that is the maximum gain. I've put this built-in control. I can continue reducing it. This is around 50% of gain, and it now will get hold of any sound around the room. It will capture that. If I can reduce it completely, zero, there is no gain at all on this microphone now. So there is no gain at all. So those are built-in controls for each operation. So you don't need any software. It's a plug and play. It has broadcast quality sound, which is around 48 kilohertz or 16 bits audio, which is good for broadcast. So broadcasters can use this microphone in their studios. That is a good thing. It is pass powered, which means the cable we use here, the power cable, so long as it is connected to any device, this cable, it will be powered. This one, the other one, this one. So once you connect it to any device, it powers this microphone using the device you are using to record. In this case, we are using a Dell computer to record this video clip. It comes with a stand. You see the stand, which means it can be used for desktop. On the desktop mostly, this stand comes with the microphone, and the USB cable comes with it. I only put the headphones separately to use it for monitoring the quality of sound. So it has an instant mute button. This button, if I click on it, you see the LED light. When it is flickering like this, it means it's not recording. You are on mute. You can mute it, for example, when people in the studio are asking for something. You don't want your audience to hear that. You just mute it. Somebody in CNN reviewed this microphone. His name is Michael Andronico. Michael Andronico said that Blue Yeti is the best gadget I've ever bought. Blue Yeti is the best gadget I've ever bought. Michael Andronico, under the CNN review, says Blue Yeti is the best gadget I ever bought. So they are speaking fondly about Blue Yeti microphones. So thank you very much. That is the brief review of the Blue Yeti microphone, which we have done. Now, otherwise, this is one of the best microphones, if I can speak to it. They say that you should use it very close to your mouth so that you produce the best sound. If I press it like 1 meter away, this is 1 meter away, it can still pick the noise or the sound, but it is far away from the speaker. So it should be as close as possible to the person who is speaking. And if you want even to enrich your sound further, you can press it near your mouth like this and speak. This is Kerosi TV. This is CNN. This is Kerosi TV. So when you press it very close to your mouth and speak slightly away from the microphone, it will produce the best sound possible, as close as possible. That is how you produce quality sound, by speaking as close as possible to the microphone. Without doing that, then it means you are missing something. You are not utilizing the microphone as it was intended to be utilized. So the closer you speak to the mic, the better for you, the better for your audio, and the better for your content production. Otherwise, thank you very much for tuning in to Kerosi TV. If you are new, please feel most welcome, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell shaped button so that every time we post new content, you are among the first people to know. And if you like our content, like, comment, and share with your networks. See you in the next episode.